still feel the same.
ASMR.
I guess all my tears made it go. The love I thought I used to know. If I really wanted you to stay, why do I keep on saying goodbye, goodbye?
Good days is very Baguio staple. Wow, wait lang guys, wala na akong energy. Hakot na yung chan ko. Good morning! Kaya kakagising ko lang and mag-vlog na naman tayo. Lagi lang nag-vlog. Hindi pa nga buhay yung diwa ko, nag-vlog na naman. Anyway, it's already 10. Yung free breakfast hanggang 10 AM lang. Buti na lang talaga. Tumawag sila ng around 9:30. Pinaakyat na lang sa room yung free breakfast. So, buti na lang talaga. Sayang din naman kasi siya. Kain na muna tayo and... Hello! We're done with our breakfast. I just wanted to share with you guys my outfit. Actually, may mga picture din akong ginawang content, pero for social. Pero here sa vlog, share ko na lang din. So this one, no sleeve, is from Ukay. I got this for only, I don't know, 75? Yeah. And also, may gusto pala akong i-share sa inyo. So, last year kasi meron akong favorite na pabango. Last year ko pa ako gumagamit. Tapos, earlier this month, nagpadala sila ng 3 bagong scents. So, pero I have here my favorite. Kasi bawas-bawas na siya. So, it's from Sniffin. Yung ginagamit ko palagi. Hindi talaga ako marunong mag-review ng mga pabango. And I feel like wala akong credibility para mag-recommend or mag-share ng pabango. But one thing is for sure, very long-lasting siya for me. Like, lalo na po sa bahay. Alam mo yung tipong madadaanan mo yung labahan, naaamoy mo pa rin siya. Or baka marami na akong nilalagay. Pwede na! Ayun lang naman. So, ang plano is mag-lunch o may gulay or ililikha. Kapag Baguio daw, fresh talaga ang mga gulay. And masyado tayong maraming nakain karne kahapon. So, I feel like gulay is very much perfect for today. And after that, I don't know, magta-try tayo mag-igot around the area. And hopefully, by afternoon, makapunta tayo ng Mines View Park. Okay ba itsura ko? Ayun lang, late na tayo. So, let's go. Bye! Yung Oh My Gulay is nasa building siya. Nasa 5th floor. So, wala nga lang sa elevator. Medyo nakakapagod siya. Ayan na. Oh my gulay. Ay, hindi pa pala. Isa pa. Wow. Wow. Hello! So we're here at Oh My Gulay. So nag-order tayo ng pasta for lunch. Late lunch siya actually. So ang naging basis ng order ko is from Julia Barreto's vlog. So kumain kasi sila Julia Barreto dito for her vlog. And nag-order sila ng General Luna punyetang shiitake for only 200. And nag-order pa tayo ng isa pa pasta mestizo. Feel like masarap siya. And etong nasa likod ko is an open view. So, it's very malamig. And also, naka 5th floor kasi to. Let's see kung masarap siya. This one is General Luna. Bunyetang shiitake. So, hindi po ako nag-i-invento. So, nandyan talaga siya. Sabi niya ate, medyo matabang daw siya for others, but for me, it's okay. Ang kulang lang sa kanya, I guess, is the saltiness. Like the bacon.
What?
Pwede sila mag-add. Ay, vegan pala dito.
Oh, what are you talking about, man?
Hindi pala pwede mag-add ng bacon. So, feeling ko something na salty. Siguro fried tofu na lang. I don't know. Siguro 8 out of 10. After eating the half of it, I'm back with another review. Nakakaumay pala siya. So I feel like a good amount of serving is enough. Pero kapag nyo napadami, I doubt na baka maubos siya. So, super dami niya. But, it's fine. To review naman, this one, pasta mestizo. Okay, so, bechamel mushroom and pomodoro sauce. This one, very spaghetti yung atake niya. Alam mo yung spaghetti ng Pilipino? Parang gayon. Spaghetti sauce niya creamy. Tapos, yung sweet niya sakto lang, pero may tomato sauce, so may halong asim siya. Tapos I feel like nakakaumay din to. Is it because ang dami ng serving? Or feeling ko good for sharing siya? Wow, very pretty. Very maganda. That's for only $5.99. $5.99. Wait lang, I need to check. Guys, for only $599, it's so good. Very unique yung pagka-shade ng brown niya. Like may darker sa unahan, tapos magba-brown. Oo. $43.
Dito po sa itin. 43. Okay po. Wait lang.
For only $599.
Thank you so much. Ay, sorry po. Ala. Thank you.
Thank you po. Hi everyone! So I am back here sa hotel room. Umuulan na siya, pero hindi naman siya yung sobrang lakas na ulan. Parang tamang ulan lang. After natin mag-late lunch sa Oh My Gulay, kailangan natin ng dessert. Sa tapat ng Hotel Supreme, merong mall. And sa mall ngayon, merong Save More. So we decided to buy an ice cream. So, bumili tayo ng ice cream from Magnolia Gold Label. The flavor is Avocado Premium. Yeah, premium ice cream. So, hindi pa natin ito try. So, itry natin. Wow! Avocado! Avocado ice cream! Grabe! Ay, parang premium nga siya. Here. Oh my gosh! If you're a fan of avocado, or kahit hindi ka fan, so good. So good! So good. So good. Be right back. Hello! I'm out again. Nakalabas mo naman. We're back at Luisa's. Take out lang tayo ng Siopaw. So, masarap siya. Finally, we're out again and we're here sa Good Taste. Sabi nila, overrated daw dito and first time lang kasi natin matatry. And another thing is, parang Good Taste talaga yung sa Baguio staple. Actually, marami silang menu. Meron silang dessert, drinks, pang family, pati pastries, breads, ang dami. Ang pinaka-best seller daw talaga dito yung mga buttered chicken, ganyan. So, nag-try tayo ng fried rice with lechon. Thank you po. Fried rice with lechon. Tapos, beef broccoli with rice. And then, galing kasi tayo kaninang Luisa Cafe. Nag-order tayo ng siopaw nila kasi nga, we enjoyed it. Na-enjoy natin siya nung first time. Meron palang siopaw bola-bola ang Good Taste. So, mas mura dito ng 15 pesos. Pero, aalaman natin kung which is better. Kaya nyo guys, ang laki ng kalamansi. Yung kalamansi nila padalandan na. Or I feel like dalandan to. I don't know. Tapos open pala ang Good Taste for 24 hours. Ayun lang naman. So, be right back kapag dumating na yung food. Wow! Sobrang dami. Akala ko naman saktuhan lang. May naman ang dami. Hello! Ang dami pa ng serving na to. Hindi naman ako na-inform. So, lechon. Ang daming gulay. Sarap ng gulay. Mainit pa. Broccoli. Favorite ko rin to. Gabas talaga ang gulay sa Baguio. Crunchy. Sobrang tagas na ng tiyan ko. So, siopaw. Malamig na siya. Siopaw review. Parehong bola-bola. Magkaibang presyo. Magkaibang sukat. Sa price, mas mura ang Good Taste. Ng 15 pesos. Sa laki, mas malaki ang Good Taste. Sa lasa, mas masarap ang Luisa. Yun lang. Mic drop. So, kakatapos lang natin sa Good Taste. And right now, this is my first time here sa night market. And itatry natin kung anong meron sa kanya. I'm really excited. I have my jacket on. Malamig na. And it's already 10:09. So, nag-work naman na ako kanina. And hindi ko alam kung saan yung entrance. Wala, ang daming tao. Anong hinahanap ko? Kailangan ko ng ref magnet. Ref magnet lang naalala ko. Uy, may mga salamin. Salamin. Magkano sa mga ano?
150.
Wala akong nakita eh.
Yes, pili lang.
Ito ata yung pagkain. Ang daming tao. Piling ko marami kayong mabibili, pero hindi lang ako naghahanap. Hindi na po, banggaan ako dito mga kababayan.
Yung nasayo?
Kapit tayo, guys! Kapit tayo, try fit match, eh?
Yes. Slay. So yung nilalakaran pala natin kaninang umaga is the same place kung saan nagkakaroon ng night market.
Pili lang.
So nakabili na tayo ng ref magnet for only 35 pesos kay tatay. Wow! Putong bumbong special. Kasyang makarap at mainit. Let's try. Thank you. So nag-order na tayo ng strawberry. So uwi na tayo. Kasi tinatawag na ako ni Kuya sa confession room. So, sobrang bukod ko kasi. Ayan, so finally I am back here sa hotel room. Grabe, nakakapagod. Paano kinakaya ng mga vlogger mag-vlog ng travel nila? At pagdating ng gabi, may sasabihin pa rin sila. Anyway, so, wait lang guys, wala na akong energy. Sakot na yung tiyan ko. Ayun na nga, medyo dugyot nga lang. I-share ko sa inyo yung mga nabili ko for today. ako, nakabili tayo ng this one, bubuyogi. It's a bee. It's Bobby. Well, bigyan natin to sa ililikha. And then, nag-order tayo na ref magnet. If you guys are watching my vlog, kala bawat lugar na pinupuntahan ko, nabili tayo ng ref magnet. So, meron tayong ref magnet from Baguio. So, may strawberry and sunflower. Tapos, meron tayong bracelet. So, 3 for 100. 3 for 100 siya. Meron tayong nito. Tapos, we have green one. And black one. So, 3 for 100. Yun lang. So, Baguio Night Market honest review. Sa bandang mga damit, sobrang daming stall, but I feel like pare-pareho lang sila ng tinitin. Like, feeling ko naman merong makikita doon. Kaso, nakakatamad na maghanap sa sobrang daming. Sa food naman, sa mga food section, maraming pagkain kaso maraming similar. Maraming magkakapareho. And the only one stand out lang talaga is the Puto Bongbong. So, for example, may shawarma dito, may shawarma sa kabila. May ganito, may ganyan. So, pare-pareho, pero yung Puto Bongbong, isa lang talaga siya. So, yun yung in-order natin. And, nag-enjoy naman ako ng sobra. Sana nag-enjoy din kayo. Kasi alam nyo guys, pagod na ako, nag-vlog pa ako Wow, sanong ba? Akala ko ba for sharing? Flow? Wow, palautos. Sige na, wala na akong energy. Dami na sinasabi. So, yun. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. Kasi na-enjoy ko rin siya. And sana nabusog kayo. Kasi feeling ko puro kain lang. Puro kain lang. But itatry natin tomorrow. Tomorrow, we'll try our best na pumunta sa Mines View. It's not my first time, pero first time ko pumunta ng umaga. So I feel like iba yung trip. So ayun lang. Thank you guys so much. I love you. See you until next one. Bye-bye. Hello. Finally, last day na rin natin here sa Baguio. Sorry, medyo makalat yung likod. Tao na to. I am very grateful sa Baguio trip na to. So, super enjoy it. Here's some more. Ganda, no? Dapat comment kayo ng wow, ganda. Wow, success. Hello. We are here sa Cab John Hay. $85 pesos for standard tourist. If you are resident, 55, student 40, and children below, it's free. Oh. Negative business sa man's greatest self-imposed inflation. His most limiting factor for here is buried the world's negativism for all time. Those who rest here have died not in vain, but for you, as a reminder, as you leave this hill, remember that the rest of your life be more positive. Have a good day. Today, I share last year is the first of the rest. Wow! Guys, this one's my favorite. I don't know if you can see, but his name is Why Didn't I? Born, I don't know. Lived wondering why, died for no reason. Diba? Always ask your why, you know? Kasi when you know your why, meron kang parang motivation and reason to live by. January 2, 1904. January 1, 1904. So the next day lang, he died before he started. So it's a reminder to always start where you are, you know? Never born cause never happened. If only. This one is really smart, huh? Okay lang talaga yun.
My love, my head is reeling, and I am running out of air. I need to breathe.
Kakatapos lang natin sa Secret Garden something, and now we're on our way back sa taas. And nakakapagod siya. Pero maganda. Nagpipicture, baka makama tayo. Pagod. Ay, this one, oh, ang ganda, oh. Here, oh. Hey. I'm really happy for this trip. Very productive. Sabi nga nga, Abel, diba? Ang dami kong na-try for the first time. Marami akong nagawa or napuntahan and natikman ng mga pagkain. First time kong mag-night market. Hindi ko first time sa Baguio, pero ang dami kong first time na ginawa sa Baguio. I'm also grateful. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching the part 1. I really do appreciate it. No need to like if you don't like it. No need to subscribe if you don't want to. But I hope you guys still enjoy this video as much as I did. So yeah, thank you guys so much and see you on my next one. Bye. Love luck. Bye.
I've been thinking about just